Hey you guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and welcome here if you are new to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to be trying to achieve a full look using just sample products. So this week I bought some products from Sephora, and you know when you get your package from Sephora, they pop in a few little samples. I think that I've received enough samples to create an entire makeup look, so I thought what better way to test if I can create a full makeup look than do it on YouTube. So if you want to see me try and create a full look using just baby sample products, please keep watching. So the very first product that I'm going to use is this Wishful Balm. So it's a calming, soothing, hydrating moisturizer. Now you have to forgive me because I have actually already used some of it. I couldn't help myself. This Wishful Balm is absolutely incredible. I actually used this as a moisturizer and then I added some makeup on top of. Let me tell you the flawless finish that it gave me. This is better than a primer, I'm telling you. And it's a very jelly finish and it just left my skin so hydrated, you guys. I loved this. So it smells like lavender, so it even smells soothing. But I just popped this on, and I always just moisturize my lips as well. If I'm using a moisturizer rather than a primer, I will always moisturize my lips as well, because they cop just as much of a beating as the rest of my face when I am doing my makeup. I like to give them a little bit of love. The next product I'm going to be using is the Becca Ultimate Coverage Foundation in the color Driftwood. So this is quite similar to my face, so fingers crossed that this matches my skin, but I actually have been dying to try this and have been contemplating getting the Becca foundation, so looking forward to seeing how this guy goes. And I'm just going to apply him with a kabuki brush. Oh wow, that color looks perfect. Oh, I think this might be a perfect color match. Every time I put my foundation on with a kabuki brush, I always come in with a beauty blender and just soften up the brush lines if there are any. I'm sure you can see, but this has just given me such a dewy glow. It's really, really hydrating. The coverage is 100%. You guys know I love a full coverage foundation. This is the perfect color match for me. So if I were to buy the Becca foundation, I would definitely be getting the color Driftwood because that is just perfect. The dewiness I love. I actually love how creamy and dewy and just vibrant my skin looks. So far, liking. For bronzer, I actually got the Tarte bronzer in the color Park Ave Princess. So I did use this bronzer already as well, and it smells like a coconut oil. It literally smells like summer. I just loved it, and I actually loved the way that this bronzer color matched my foundation as well. It was that perfect little bronze. So I'm going to go in with this guy now, and I'm just going to do a little powdered contour. It's such a beautiful, beautiful bronze. And it's actually really, really complementing this Becca foundation as well. So this is a nice little duo. So I didn't get any eyeshadow as a sample, so I'm going to use the bronzer as my eyeshadow as well. And I often will use just a bronzer as a shadow if I'm doing just light glam look. So for a lighter glam look, I like to just have a little bit of bronze lids, nothing crazy. It just gives you a little bit of something on the eyes without having to do a full eyeshadow. And I'm also going to just go in and do a light nose contour. So I'm just going to do the outer bridge of my nose. And just under the nostrils. And not necessarily the tip, but if you can imagine doing just this line here, just so that that nose gets that little fleck. So the next product that I got is the Huda Beauty Legit Lashes Pack. So this comes with two different mascaras. So it comes with volume mascara and the curl and length mascara. You can use one or the other. I am going to use both because I just want to get that really, really full glam effect because I didn't get any lashes as a sample. So I want to really just get my lashes going. So I'm going to start with the volume. And you guys, the Huda Beauty wands are always magnificent. This wand you guys, I swear every time I film I get a mascara runoff. I never get mascara runoffs ever, ever, ever. Every time I film, run off. What I was saying was the wands on the Huda mascara are always amazing. They're so beautiful and arched. For reference, this is the volume only and this is nothing. So you can see already the volume just has given you just these amazing, just glam lashes. But I'm going to add the curl and length mascara over the top now. So I'm going to show you what the full difference looks like. Whoa. So you guys, this is the legit lashes from Huda Beauty Mascara. This is the volume and curl and length used together, and this is nothing. You can see it is almost given me an instant lash lift, almost as though I have false lashes. This is insane. Hands down best mascara I have ever used. So you guys, on this eye I'm using the volume and the curl and length mascara, and on this one I've just put the volume, so you can see the difference. Adding the second layer of mascara really gives you a little bit more of a lash lift, and it's just that little bit more thick, but still the volume on its own is just incredible. Okay you guys, the last sample that I've got, this is a pretty together look already, but the last sample that I've got and I'm going to try is the Sephora Lip Stain. So I got this in the cream lip stain in the red, so I'm going to add this as my lip color and we will see how this look pulls together. It is very, very, very creamy, you guys. You guys, wow, I cannot believe I actually created a full look using Sephora Samples. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little bit skeptical in myself. I thought, look, if this doesn't come out great, I don't have to film it, but it's definitely worth a shot. But oh my gosh, you guys, this is a full low-key glam look using just samples. That is crazy, and I actually love how it turned out. This is something that I would definitely wear to work or just for like a girl's day. This is so low-key but so gorgeous, and I actually loved these products. The bronzer is for sure an absolute must. It smells amazing, it looks great, it's not overpowering, it's a great contour bronzer. The Becca foundation 100% is going to be a buy. I love this. I'm definitely the color Driftwood as well, so I'm definitely going to be investing in this bad boy. Now can we talk about the lashes? The lashes, you guys, oh my god, I struggle so much with mascara. I just cannot find mascara that makes my lashes just pop. I unfortunately was blessed with tiny lashes, so this and the volume that it has given me, you guys, I just can't. I cannot get enough of these. I will definitely be purchasing both of these mascaras. This was a game changer for me. I'm so glad I got this as a sample because I would definitely be purchasing. Now the moisturizer. Going on to the moisturizer. This Wishful Honey Balm is just insane. This is so gorgeous on your skin. Like I said, it smells amazing. It feels soothing. It's calm. It makes my skin look amazing under makeup. I'm going to use it tonight after I wash my face, and before I go to bed I'm going to use this in lieu of my current moisturizer and just see how it feels. But so far this is incredible. That is it, you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in, seeing if we could create a look with these samples, and we successfully did. Let me know what you think. If you've tried any of these products, let me know in the comments below, and I will see you guys on my next video.